Now, how to get TikTok repost button back. Before further ado, let's dive right into the video. Now, what you do now is to click on the profile icon on down section here, button section here. Now, what you do now is to click on this straight line icon on top side here. Now here, click on settings and privacy here. Now, what you do now here is to make sure you remove your account on private account here. Make sure you remove it on private account. You can see my own talk is not in private account. Make sure you remove it in order to see repost button. Now here, after removing it here, you can find repost button by pressing here. You can see you can find repost button here, or you can find repost button again by clicking on this share here. Also know that many videos might not have repost because some view users or creators might disable their repost option. So what you do is to find another video and repost. So if you found the video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And check out the playlist on the description section for more helpful TikTok tutorials and helpful videos.